Guys, ito pala guys, 3AU engine. Ano, type jeep. I-check natin
Okay, he's
guys.
not in there. Yeah, push it.
Tagali. Ito. Si Korea po niya. Panilagyan namin kailangan ito rewiring guys. Rewiring. 3AU engine. Lilik yung oil seal guys. Ito. Palitan namin ito ng oil seal. Tsaka i-rewiring ulit. Galing ng ignition. Kasi medyo kulang sa supply papunta dito sa ignition coil niya guys. Tsaka yung carburetor hugasan. Bago to binili ng may-ari guys. 3AU Toyota engine.
Tricycle, sino? Montague lang?
Mantag lang.
Wait,
Guys, may toolbox.
I thought that was the fuse box.
Yeah.
The glove
It's
box.
a toolbox. Kaya pala guys, si Sir yung may-ari. Si Sir. What is your name, sir?
P.
P. Si Sir P. Siya guys yung bumili nitong Toyota Honor stainless 3AU engine. Guys, si Sir.
Wait, where's my hat?
I will put this sir in my vlog.
Yeah, sure.
And I'm the mechanic.
So guys, 3AU engine. Si Sir yung nakabili. Stainless. So guys, gagawin namin dito, i-recon ulit kasi may leaking guys yung oil seal sa pulley. Tsaka itong carburetor, hugasan namin guys. Tsaka rewiring. Galing ng ignition, papuntang ignition coil guys. Ito nga pala yung ignition coil nya guys. Ito yung ballast resistor. Sa mga may owner type jeep dyan, pag umiinit yung ignition coil nyo, ito lalagyan nyo ng ballast resistor kasi ito yung heat absorber nya. Ceramic type to na ballast resistor.
I can swear I see him, but that's looking like car or something.
So guys, ignition coil, yung ABR guys, voltage regulator ng charging.
I'll translate.
You'll translate sir?
I'll
To English.
translate.